My name is Crystal, and this is my STEM story. My name is Crystal Scott Tunstall. I was born and raised in Chicago, Illinois, on the west side, North London. I am a professor at Grand Valley State University. I teach environmental and sustainability studies in the Brooks College of Interdisciplinary Studies. As a sustainability professor, my day-to-day actually looks different each and every day. I start off every day, trying to capture requests or student needs. I may also prepare for a class that I'm going to teach. I'm also the internship coordinator for the ENS program. I look for opportunities for students to intern. I may meet with employers or community partners that have internship opportunities and trying to garner that for my students. Also, I may meet with employers to create internship opportunities. Here at Grand Valley, we have the Sustainable Agriculture Project. The Sustainable Agriculture Project is an application space for our sustainability study students and other students throughout the university, and we call it the SAP. At the SAP, I, along with other professors, take students out to have application experiences. So things that they learn in the classroom, they get to see how to use that, right? They get a hands-on experience. We also host events at the SAP. So one of the events that I like to host at the SAP is a land blessing every spring. So before the farmer would plant with students and interns for the season, we would have a local African practitioner come out and bless the land and use an authentic African land blessing to do that. So the students get to experience what culture looks like around sustainability. Advice that I would have for any student: think about your passions, think about your interests. If you love what you do, then you actually don't work. You actually get to learn as you work, but have fun. So if some theme keeps coming up for you, something that you're interested in, lean into it, find out about it, research it, see if it's something that you can use as a career. And it doesn't matter who's in the room and who's not in the room, as long as you're in the room. If you're in the room, you're supposed to be there. It is your space, and take up as much space as you need to.